So in this video, you'll learn how to connect your Hollyland Lark M2 wireless microphone to your Chromebook. So connecting is fairly simple. All you need to do is get the correct receiver. So this is the Type-C receiver that you got when you first purchased your Hollyland M2 wireless microphone. And all you need to do is simply insert this receiver into the Type-C port on your Chromebook. So it can be the charging port that you would normally use, or there's another Type-C port on this other side. So this is a charging port, and then this is the other port on the other side of my Chromebook. So you can insert it into either port that you would prefer to use. Let me choose the charging port. So I can just insert it like that. And then once it's inserted, you should see it blinking, which means it's starting to look for a device. You can also see on your computer screen, a notification has popped up saying a USB device has been detected. So once it's been detected, you then want to open the Settings app. So go to Settings. And then in Settings, you want to go to Device. And then under Device, select Audio. Under Audio, you should see Input and then Microphone. So you want to ensure that your wireless microphone has been selected so that you can start using the wireless microphone whenever you're recording something on your Chromebook. Either it's a screen recording or you're in a chat with someone, you can use the microphone as your default microphone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.